Hello and welcome. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. This is News Now Overnight and I'm Hina Gambhir. Let's get started with some big news that we are getting for you from poll-bound West Bengal. Bengal is getting ready for phase 2 of elections and BJP is now, in fact, campaigning in full force ahead of phase 2. In fact, after super hit phase 1 voting, now we have the Bengal edition of Amit Shah's Sandesh. In fact, Home Minister Amit Shah has listed 100-seat strike rate. We have spoken exclusively to Home Minister Amit Shah and he has launched his fiercest attack on Mamata Banerjee and the TMC. Listen in to what he told us.
Hello and welcome to Times Now. So the first question is, how hopeful are you about Bengal's election this time? Because Mamata Banerjee says she is going to come back. What do you think so? How confident is BJP?
हम बहुत प्रचंड बहुमत के साथ सरकार बनाना चाह रहे हैं। जिस प्रकार का रिस्पांस आपके कैमरामैन को कहिए बताए पीछे, जिस प्रकार का रिस्पांस दूर दूर तक है, कहीं दूर तक तृणमूल कांग्रेस के जीतने की संभावना है।
इतना अच्छा वोटर टर्नआउट रहा है बंगाल में फर्स्ट फेज में, क्या लग रहा है सर?
हम फर्स्ट फेज में 110 से ज्यादा सीटें जीते हैं
सर। और एक क्लेम जो ममता बनर्जी बार-बार बोलती है बॉर्डर को लेके कि सेंट्रल नीड्स टू डू द बॉर्डर फॉर द अनफेंस्ड लैंड्स, शी ब्लेम्स द सेंटर फॉर द बॉर्डर रीजन बट पीपल आर इंटरेस्टेड टू गिव द लैंड फॉर फेंसिंग। व्हाट डू यू थिंक सो? हु इज टू बी ब्लेम्ड?
कल ही बंगाल हाई कोर्ट ने जजमेंट दिया है, इनको 25,000 रुपए का झूठ बोलने के लिए फाइन किया है। अब बंगाल हाई कोर्ट भी झूठी है क्या? कल ही आया है जजमेंट। बंगाल सरकार को फाइन किया है 25,000 रुपीज।
So what will be your plan for the borders in Bengal?
हम जो भूमि ममता नहीं दे रही है, ये 45 दिन में सारी भूमि बंगाल की भाजपा सरकार भारत सरकार के गृह मंत्रालय को दे दी।
Let's go across to my colleague Ridhita, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Ridhita, you spoke exclusively to Home Minister Amit Shah earlier today, and BJP is quite confident that BJP is going to form the government in West Bengal after the results are declared on 4th of May.
Turnout that we have seen in the first phase of polling with about 92%. Home Minister Amit Shah, speaking exclusively to us, told that they're very confident about Bengal this time. He has also stated about the phase 2, which is an urban voting bank, and he says that the second one will also be a saffron sweep. And overall, in the culmination, the BJP is now going to form a government in Bengal. It is time for Mamata Banerjee to wrap her seat after the 15 years rule that she has done. However, on the other side, also we see that the Chief Minister herself is confident, stating that she is going to make a fourth term return again in West Bengal. But Amit Shah today, the Home Minister, told us that it will be more than 100 seats that now BJP is claiming in Bengal, and it will be a clean saffron. Bengal is now going to see. He has also spoken about the border infiltration. He says it will be next 45 days that BJP forms a government. The borders will be sealed and all the infiltration problems will be removed. Even the unfenced areas that the Mamata government has lacked in giving forward to for fencing, that will be worked upon soonest as possible.
All right. Thank you very much, Ridhita, for the moment, for joining us with those details. Let's move on. Viewers, a sharp political confrontation has erupted between Union Home Minister Amit Shah and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee after Amit Shah allegedly made a controversial Ulta Latka Dunga remark targeting alleged TMC goons. She condemned the statement, accusing Amit Shah of promoting violence and misusing his constitutional position. She even said that she'll take a legal action against this.
জিজ্ঞেস করুন আপনি কি করে দাঁড়িয়ে মিটিংয়ে বলছেন যে ঝুলিয়ে দেওয়া হবে পা উপরে আর মাথা নিচে? আপনি হিংসার কথা বলছেন, সন্ত্রাসের কথা বলছেন, কিন্তু আমি জানি কোনো ব্যবস্থা এদের বিরুদ্ধে কেউ নেবে না। কিন্তু লয়ার যারা এখানে আছেন তাদের বলবো, ভিডিও আমার কাছে আছে, আমি দেবাঞ্জনকে দিয়েছি, কেস করবেন। এটা ইটস এ ক্রাইম। এ কথা হোম মিনিস্টার বলতে পারে না। আমি যেমন বলতে পারি না, অন্যরাও বলতে পারে না। আইন সবার জন্য এক।
In fact, Home Minister Amit Shah, in a post on X, had warned the goons of CM Mamta Banerjee not to come out in the second phase of polling. Listen in to what he had said.
मैं आज दीदी के गुंडों को कहकर जाता हूं, कान खोल कर सुन लो, 29 तारीख को एक भी मतदाता को उंगली भी लगाई तो आपकी जगह बंगाल की खाड़ी में होगी, बंगाल की खाड़ी में।
So you heard, viewers, the war of words that's escalating between West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee and Home Minister Amit Shah. There were some sporadic incidents of violence that we saw during the first phase of polling, even though the situation was much better than how it used to be during previous elections, assembly elections specifically. And now the next phase is on 29th of April. And now, in fact, there is another reaction that we have got at this point in time on West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee's threat to file a case over his remarks. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has said, he's in fact asked, are you expecting us to garland goons? He says no matter how much Didi protests, they will be jailed and hanged upside down. Listen in.
उन लोग को उल्टा लटकाने की बात करें, कोर्ट में जाएंगे तो दीदी क्या करे? गुंडों के गले में फूलमाला डाले? अब बता दो जरा बंगाल की जनता को, भाई गुंडों को फूलमाला डालो। दीदी, फूलमाला हम बंगाल की माता बहनों के लिए रिजर्व रखेंगे, गुंडों को जेल की सलाखों के पीछे देंगे।
So this was the reaction we got from Home Minister Amit Shah after West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee vowed legal action against the Home Minister of this country for his remarks. She called them violent remarks, and she said that as Home Minister, he cannot make such comments. Now, first phase of polling, viewers, was held across 152 constituencies in West Bengal on Thursday. The voter turnout was over 93%, and that was the highest ever percentage in West Bengal since independence. And some clashes were reported in parts of Bengal, including flare-ups in parts of Murshidabad, Birbhum, Cooch Behar and Dakshin Dinajpur. And now, on the warning that was issued by the Home Minister, there is a war of words that has started. Hridita joining us live again for more on this. Hridita, clearly all eyes are now going to be on phase 2, and BJP also, responding to what the Chief Minister said earlier, Home Minister Amit Shah himself giving a strong rebuttal.
Absolutely. You see that we have seen earlier also during the time of Durgapur rape case or during the Korpa Law College incident, or rather the RG Kaur rape case that has shook the entire world. We have seen how Amit Shah has been responding to it. He has been stating that after BJP forms its government out here, then there will not be any girl who is left unsafe. Women can go around safe at night after 8 also. And he said that ulta latka dunga to all the gunda bahinis of the TMC who has been doing all of this scam with people. However, now Mamta Banerjee has taken a vow on that, and she says that how can he make such remark when he is a Home Minister himself? So this war of word between the Home Minister and the Chief Minister has escalated. But once we see that BJP seems to be very confident about their seat in Bengal, and therefore they make claims and promises about women's safety, about anti-corruption and all the border safety as well.
Right, Hridita, stay on with us. Let's once again listen in to what exactly Mamta Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister, had to say.
জিজ্ঞেস করুন আপনি কি করে দাঁড়িয়ে মিটিংয়ে বলছেন যে ঝুলিয়ে দেওয়া হবে পা ওপরে আর মাথা নিচে, আপনি হিংসার কথা বলছেন, সন্ত্রাসের কথা বলছেন, কিন্তু আমি জানি কোনো ব্যবস্থা এদের বিরুদ্ধে কেউ নেবে না। কিন্তু লয়ার যারা এখানে আছেন তাদের বলবো, ভিডিও আমার কাছে আছে, আমি দেবাঞ্জনকে দিয়েছি, কেস করবেন। এটা ইটস এ ক্রাইম, এ কথা হোম মিনিস্টার বলতে পারে না। আমি যেমন বলতে পারি না, অন্যরাও বলতে পারে না। আইন সবার জন্য এক।